My name is Hannah Scarbrough, and I am doing the Optical Technology program at Front Range Community College. My first round of college, I transferred to the Colorado School of Mines for environmental engineering during 2020. I learned as classes transitioned from online to in-person in my junior year. Engineering was not the right fit for me, so I made the difficult decision to drop out at the time. That's kind of where optics technology popped up. I wanted to pursue optics because it's a very hands-on field, and I'm a very hands-on learner. One awesome perk with the optics technology program here at Front Range is all of our instructors are also industry leaders. It really helps us in the classroom to excel our learning because we're relating it to actual industry examples and are able to apply that to our own individual careers. I'm working full-time and doing school full-time, but it's a really awesome symbiotic relationship because I learn a lot of really good things on the job that help me in the classroom.
The Metallica Scholars Initiative is truly changing lives and uplifting communities to build a highly talented, skilled workforce. Last year, Front Range Community College was selected as the only community college in the state of Colorado to participate in this prestigious initiative, truly recognizing FRCC's commitment to advancing manufacturing and workforce development. Metallica's generosity has allowed us to extend the impact beyond scholarships. Many of our students are first-gen students, adult learners who have a lot of life obligations and commitments outside of the classroom. So it's our job as an institution to look for ways to better serve our students. Through these funds, we've been able to commit to enhancing tutoring, and as a result, over the last year, we've been able to increase our student success rates in technical math from lower than 50% to over 80%, which is tremendous. Without the Metallica Scholars Initiative, we couldn't offer the same level of access, the same level of resources and opportunities for our students in these programs to thrive.
Thank you so much for the Metallica Scholarship Award. I really feel like the hard work is paying off, and the Metallica Scholarship helps highlight that for me, that my hard work is not just for my future, it's also giving back to industry and the community and Front Range. Having the experience that I had going through college once, it not working out, finally finding something that feels like I'm on the right path has been life-changing. I wake up in the morning and I'm excited to go to work, I'm excited to go to class, and it's been an incredible opportunity to gain vital experience and knowledge that I maybe otherwise wouldn't have had if I hadn't taken my non-traditional path.